Hey there, Lori Petrosino here. I want to just do a quick overview of my Tradera back office so I can explain how the ranks are working. So when you first come into Tradera and you have 3 people underneath you, you will then be considered a founder, okay? And a founder has 3 direct business partners underneath them, and that is what the team is trying to do for you if you're not able to get them for yourself. Now, of course, we'd love to have you be an active participant because this is not a passive business. And when we all work together to get referrals for everyone, wait until you see how quickly this is going to explode for you, because all you need is 3 direct members underneath you. Once you have them, whether it's from the team putting them in or you put them in, you are going to then work on the people underneath you, okay, and get their 3 and get their 3 and so on. And when everyone has 3, all the way down the line, your network is going to grow very fast. So when your 3 people have 3 people, it'll bring you to the night membership where you will be earning $125 per week. That's $500 per month just by having 3 people underneath your 3 people. Very easy to achieve. Many people are achieving this within 1 day and sometimes skipping some levels within just a few days. And please keep in mind, that is monthly recurring income, okay? So in the PowerPoint, you can see the night member level is $500 a month, okay? When you continue on to Noble, you are now earning $250 per week. That is $1,000 per month. You continue on to Bishop, you will be earning $500 a week, and that is $2,000 a month. If we go back to, actually, before I continue on, I want to just show you in the back office how you're going to manage that and view it. So for my back office, you can see my current rank is Noble, and the next rank I'm going to is Bishop, okay? So Bishop is this one here, where it's a weekly bonus of $500, and obviously that is $2,000 per month. Now, how do you know when you're coming close to that? Okay, so the Tradera dashboard will show you. So this is where everything, all the activity you need, you can see right here. So you can see this will always be checked off. My active personal referrals are 3. Now I got 4, but I only required 3. And what this is going to show you is what you need to get to the next rank. Okay, so then you'll always know. When the check mark is green, you know you've completed them. So now in my first leg, I'm going to need another 3 people. 30 are required and 27 have been achieved. In my member leg 2, I need 30 people. I have 15 achieved. And in my active member leg 3, I need 15 people required and I've achieved 11. So once that is taken care of, I will then move on to this rank. And then what it's going to show me is my current rank will be Bishop, and the next rank will be Duke and Duchess, which is a weekly bonus. They're calling it a weekly bonus. I call it weekly earnings of $1,250. And you can see that is a $5,000 per month income. And that's only with 250 people in my network. I hope you can see how very achievable this is, especially when everyone is helping everyone get 3. So that's why when you have 3, you want to move on to helping your 3 get their 3, because it's going to move you up these levels, okay? If you help your 3 get 3, well, guess what? Today, you could be earning $125 a week residual income. As long as you stay an active member and your members stay an active member, you'll be earning this income. So the goal is to help everyone, and we can do this very quickly if everyone is sharing the team page and all the resources that we have available. So I hope that helps you to understand what you're looking at on the dashboard page or the overview page. So let's do this, guys. Let's work together as quickly as possible to help all of your team members get their 3 people. So you reach those ranks as quickly as possible so you can increase your weekly income. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.